The purpose of this video is to introduce you to a tool by the name of SafeShare. SafeShare is a resource that removes advertisements from YouTube content and also removes suggested videos. Normally on the right-hand side of a YouTube experience, you see the suggested videos on the right-hand side. SafeShare removes all of those suggested videos. Another thing that SafeShare does, if you wish to share a video with your students that might be 7, 8, or 9 minutes long, but you really only want them to see 3 minutes of that entire video, you have the ability to narrow down a specific band within that video and only share a portion of that video with your students. So let's see how this works. Head over to whatever YouTube video that you think is interesting and then click the share button like you normally would and copy that link. Head over to safeshare.tv. In this space right here, paste the link that you just copied when you were in YouTube and then click this button. When you do that, the video will load here as long as it works properly. I will have to let you know that not all YouTube videos function properly in here, so let me say that. You have 2 items down here. You have watch and edit. It will start in the edit area. You can drag this bubble in from the left, you can drag this bubble in from the right, and you can choose exactly the portion of the video that you want to share with your students. You're not obligated to trim anything off of the beginning or the end. You can leave it exactly the way that it is. If you want to edit the title at all, for example, apostrophes don't always respond well in programming code. It gets jumbled up a little bit. So if you are a little bit persnickety about that, you can come in and make some adjustments if needed. You can significantly change the description if you want to. You can come in here and delete some of that, or you can leave it. It kind of really doesn't matter. And then down at the bottom, go ahead and click the check mark where it says save. And once you do that, then SafeShare TV provides a link for you. This button right here allows you to copy that link easily. I'm going to click copy right here. Hey team, when you get to this point, you also have the option of this QR code. You can actually click right here and you can save this QR code and then share it out with your students. If you right click, copy image, this is how you can save or distribute that QR code if you want your students to use a QR code to access this content. After I click copy, I'm going to test that out to see if it functions properly. I'm going to come up here to the skinny snowman. After I choose skinny snowman, I'm going to choose new incognito window. So right now I'm testing it out, like what does it look like when my students receive it? I'm going to use Control V for victory on my keyboard in order to paste that link in there. And then I'm going to press enter on my keyboard 1 time. And then now I'll have a chance to see what it looks like when my students receive this. Up at the top on the right, the children might have a sign in button. You're more than welcome just to tell the children, ignore that. That's unimportant. It's not necessary. Your only objective is that you want them to actually watch the video itself. And you'll notice that that suggested content on the right is missing and they're not inspired or encouraged to check out additional videos. It is just this one singular video that you want the children to use in the lesson that you are providing. Team, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.